Multiplying by 11 feels long and boring, right? What if I tell you there is a simple trick to do it in seconds without long multiplication? This method comes from Vedic Maths and it's called adding to the neighbor. It means we add each digit to the digit next to it. Let's try 23 multiplied by 11. First, write the number with a space between the digits. 2 space 3. Now, keep the first digit and the last digit the same. So, we have 2 and 3. Next, add the two digits. 2 plus 3, 5. Place that 5 in the middle. So, the answer is 253. Simple, easy, right? Now, let's try another example. 54 multiplied by 11. Write it as 5 space 4. Keep the first and last digits the same. Now, add 5 and 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Place 9 in the middle. So, the answer is 594. Now, let's look at a case where we need to carry 57 multiplied by 11. Write it as 5 space 7. Add the digits. 5 plus 7, 12. Since the sum is a two-digit number, we write only the ones digit in the middle and carry the tens digit to the left. So we write 2 in the middle and carry 1 to the 5. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So the final answer is 627. Keep the first and last digits the same. Add each digit to its neighbor and place the result in between. And whenever the sum is a two-digit number, carry the extra digit to the left. Hope you understand. Now it's your turn to try. I am giving you some practice questions. Set a timer and see how many minutes you take to finish all of them. Try to solve them without writing. Use your mind. Don't forget to comment your time. I am waiting to see your answers.